Hello everyone! If you often find that working on screens, be it laptops, tablets, or cell phones, makes your eyes feel tired or fuzzy, you're not alone. Many people experience eye strain in our digital age, and it's essential to find natural ways to alleviate this discomfort. Today, I'm excited to share with you 3 important Qigong exercises designed to improve your eyesight naturally. Understanding eye strain. In our modern world, where screens dominate our daily activities, experiencing eye strain has become increasingly common. Whether you're working on a computer, scrolling through your phone, or watching TV, the cumulative effect of prolonged screen exposure can lead to fatigue, discomfort, and even long-term vision problems. Eye strain can manifest in various ways, with blurred vision being one of the most noticeable symptoms. Many individuals report that their vision becomes fuzzy, especially after extended periods of screen use. Additionally, the act of staring at a screen often reduces our natural blinking rate, which can lead to dry eyes. Conversely, some people may experience watery eyes as a response to irritation. Another common symptom associated with eye strain is headaches. Tension headaches can arise, particularly if you find yourself squinting or leaning closer to your screen. Furthermore, you might notice difficulty focusing, making it challenging to shift your gaze from near to far objects or vice versa. This struggle can be frustrating and may further contribute to the feeling of fatigue. In general, your eyes may feel tired, heavy, or achy after spending extended periods in front of screens, highlighting the importance of recognizing these symptoms. Acknowledging the signs of eye strain is the first step in effectively addressing the issue. By incorporating simple exercises and mindful practices, you can help restore balance to your visual health and improve your overall eye comfort. The healing art of Qigong. Qigong is an ancient Chinese practice that combines movement, meditation, and controlled breathing to cultivate energy and promote self-healing. It's been used for thousands of years to enhance physical health, mental clarity, and emotional well-being. Qigong exercises can improve circulation, enhance flexibility, and strengthen various muscle groups, including those in and around the eyes. One of the beautiful aspects of Qigong is its accessibility. You don't need to be an expert to benefit from it. With just a few simple exercises, you can tap into your body's natural healing abilities and enhance your vision. Before we begin the exercises, it's essential to create a comfortable space for yourself. Find a quiet area where you can stand or sit without distractions. Make sure you're in a relaxed position, allowing your body to feel at ease. If you can, take a moment to breathe deeply, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. This will help center your mind and prepare your body for the practice ahead. Exercise 1. Pressure point massage around the eyes. Our first exercise focuses on stimulating the pressure points around the eyes to enhance circulation and energy flow. This simple yet effective technique not only alleviates tension, but also promotes overall eye health, making it an essential practice in our daily routines. Begin by folding your index finger so that the knuckle is exposed, allowing you to utilize it effectively during the massage. Next, gently rub across your eyebrows using the knuckle of your index finger. As you move from the center of your brow towards the temples, apply firm yet gentle pressure. This initial motion helps to awaken the area and begins the process of increasing circulation around your eyes. Once you reach your temples, transition to making small circular motions with your finger. This action not only stimulates blood flow, but also helps relieve any built-up tension in the forehead and temple areas. To complete this segment of the exercise, return to the temples and repeat the small circular motions. This repetition reinforces the benefits of improved blood flow around the eyes, helping to alleviate symptoms of eye strain and tension headaches. Additionally, this pressure point routine is excellent for enhancing circulation, relieving headaches, and even reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles around the eyes. For added benefits, let's repeat the sequence once more. Rub across the eyebrows. Make small circles at the temples. Glide under the orbital ridge and circle at the temples. Incorporating this pressure point massage into your daily routine can contribute significantly to your eye health and overall well-being. Exercise 2. Eye muscle strengthening. Just like any other muscles in our body, The eye muscles require strengthening and flexibility to function optimally. Our second exercise is specifically designed to enhance the strength and coordination of these essential muscles. Begin by making big circles with your eyes. Start by looking straight up, allowing your gaze to stretch towards the ceiling. Then shift your gaze to the right, following the movement smoothly, and then downward, bringing your focus to the ground. Finally, look to the left to complete a full circular motion. This exercise should feel fluid, aiming for a smooth and controlled movement as you circle your eyes. By doing so, you effectively stretch and strengthen the eye muscles, which enhances their flexibility and range of motion. After completing several circles in one direction, it's time to switch things up. Turn your focus and make circles in the opposite direction. This change is important as it helps balance the muscle strength and flexibility in your eyes. As you perform this exercise, pay attention to any areas where you feel tension or resistance. These sensations can indicate areas that may need extra focus. Take a deep breath and allow your eyes to relax as you move them through their full range of motion. This mindfulness not only enhances the effectiveness of the exercise, but also fosters a deeper connection between your mind and body. Exercise 3. Tree sways in the wind. In traditional Chinese medicine, the eyes are intricately linked to the liver, forming a vital connection within the 5-element energy system. Our final exercise, Tree Sways in the Wind, is designed to nourish the eyes with healing energy through gentle movement, enhancing both eye health and overall well-being. To begin this exercise, position your arms by standing with your feet shoulder-width apart. Round your arms out to the sides as if you are creating a gentle embrace. This position not only helps open up your chest, but also prepares your body to receive energy. Next, inhale deeply as you turn to your right side. As you do so, lift your fingers close to your eyes, visualizing the energy you're gathering from your surroundings. This imagery is essential. It helps you connect with the nourishing energy present in the environment around you. As you exhale, let your hands glide softly across your face and down, sending any stale or negative energy down into the earth. This motion symbolizes the release of tension and the welcoming of fresh, healing energy. The combination of movement, breath, and visualization creates a holistic approach to improving eye health, allowing you to feel more connected to your body and your surroundings. Take a moment to appreciate the capabilities of your body, and remember that nurturing your eyes is an essential part of caring for your overall health. With regular practice of these simple yet effective exercises, you can support your eye health naturally and enhance your quality of life. Have you tried any of these eye exercises yet? Let us know how they're working for you in the comments. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share the video, and hit that subscribe button for more natural health hacks. Thanks for watching, and as always, question everything.